but I'll be on it always, always and forever.
Hey you guys, it's Highway Ari J. I'm back with another video. So today I just made it to the rail yard, but they wanted me to shuttle something back to the yard. And you know, I was doing my inspection stuff, looking at everything, and I was saying that the locks weren't all the way down. Like, this is supposed to be down a little bit more, and it's on both sides as well. So usually what solves this problem is if I slide my tandem. So we're gonna see if that works, and then we can go, y'all. So let's go. I'm gonna try to slide my tandems real quick. Got my vice grips right here just in case. They turned it upside down. Interesting. Let me see something real quick. So I have to hit that up, and we're probably gonna be able to slide it now. Oh. Oh. Alrighty, you guys. This part was stuck. I'm finna show y'all. This part was stuck up, so I had to push this down. And I was able to pull it out now, because at first it was just sitting there. So we should be good. We're able to slide them. The pins are out. So yeah, y'all. Let's see. Almost failed. Okay, so we were able to slide them. You got to slide them all the way back in this case, because it was like a really big gap. So we're gonna lock it now, and then when I lock my let me make sure this one. When I slide it back up a little bit, I'm not gonna slide it all the way back up. See, it still have that same problem. So we're just gonna slide it a little up, further up. Can you see that? We slid our tandems. The pins is locked. That one is locked on the very back too. And then here we go. The pins are now locked, so we should be cool. This side is locked as well. So anytime you have that problem where it's like lifted up a little bit, sometimes you're able to slide the tandems to adjust it. Oh, also another thing before I go. Sometimes these be on the side of the container, and sometimes I don't have my bolt cutters with me. But usually if you do this and do it kind of fast and it bends, it'll break by itself because it'll heat up. So I'm gonna just put these on the lock, and I should be good to go. Got that. Just bend that a little bit. There we go. But yeah, y'all, hope that tip helps you one of these days if you ever come to that problem. But yeah, bye y'all.
But I'll be on it always, always.